If you're trying to generate leads, sell a product, or get more clients, having a high converting landing page is essential. But building one from scratch can sometimes feel super overwhelming, especially if you don't have a background in web design. That's where GoHighLevel comes in. It's an all-in-one platform that lets you build landing pages, manage leads, and automate follow-ups, all without needing separate tools for each step. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a landing page using GoHighLevel. Whether you need a simple lead capture page or a fully automated sales funnel, GoHighLevel is for you. And by the end of this, you'll have a professional looking landing page that's designed to convert. So before we get into the tutorial, let's talk about what GoHighLevel is. GoHighLevel is a CRM and marketing automation platform designed for agencies, service businesses, and entrepreneurs. Unlike traditional website builders, it combines multiple tools into a single system. It also includes sales funnels that help with lead generation and conversions, making it easier to guide potential customers through the buying process. In addition, GoHighLevel offers email and SMS automation, enabling businesses to follow up with leads without needing separate software. For service-based businesses, the platform provides appointment scheduling tools, allowing clients to book meetings directly through the system. On top of that, GoHighLevel functions as a full CRM, which gives users the ability to track contacts, manage sales, and keep all customer interactions organized in one place. Now, let's get into the tutorial. So what you want to do first, if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, you want to click our exclusive link in the description below because it will give you access to an extended 30-day free trial. Usually without our link, you can only get 14 days. So this will extend your access for 30 days completely free. So what you want to do if you're not already signed up, we'll go ahead and click start an extended free trial. You'll type in your company name, your full name, your email address, and phone number. And then we'll go to step 2. And then from here, you will add your credit card information. It will not be charged today, but you will have to add that in. Now, once you are all logged in with your account set up, what we're going to do is go ahead and navigate to the sites section. We've got a bunch of different tools up here, but what we're going to do is stay on this funnels tab. So we'll go ahead and click create funnel. I personally want to create from a template. You also can create from blank, or you can also use AI, but let's go ahead and just take a look at their templates. So they've got a bunch, and you can browse by categories or by types or even tags. So maybe we're doing business, coaching, and consulting, and then here we can go ahead and take a look. So let's go ahead and click on one of these templates that matches your brand best. Then we can go ahead and click continue. So just so you're aware, there's a difference between funnels and websites. So there's the option to create a funnel, which are designed for multi-step marketing campaigns, and websites, which are for full business websites. Since landing pages are usually used for lead capture or sales, we want to, again, make sure we're using the funnels section to create one. So I chose one right here. So just so you can see, this is the difference between the website and the funnel. So although this is a website template, the way the funnel works is you'll have these different funnel steps right here. But let's create a funnel from blank funnel name. And then we would have to create the steps manually. So you can go ahead and add the different steps right here. Or like I said, for this one specifically, it has home, and then we've got the appointment, and then we've got the thank you. So this is the steps that they will go through. So next you'll want to customize the actual page. So we'll go ahead and click edit. In this first page, we're going to want to describe whatever it is that we are selling or wanting the user to do. So first off, you really want to make sure you add a strong headline that immediately tells visitors what your offer is and why they should care. A good headline should be clear, benefit driven, and straight to the point. Next, you'll want to add the call to action. So we've already got a strong headline here. And then here you can see we've got the call to action immediately. Again, since this is a website, there's so much stuff on here, but we could easily delete all of this. Even here, if we don't want to have this contact menu, we can hide all of this stuff. But just for example's sake, I'm going to leave that. But here is the call to action, and whatever the call to action is, we want to make sure we're adding the next step. So link to step, and then the next funnel step is appointment. So see how we can customize this right here. And then if we go back, you'll also be able to see it's home, appointment, and then the thank you page. You also can split test as well. So if you wanted to create a variation, maybe with different coloring or having the button say something else or something like that, you can actually create a variation right here, which is super cool. So within the actual funnel, what you want to make sure too is that you have a ton of social proof. So even here where it says this many members joined, that's great social proof, as well as adding in some some other testimonials. So maybe we want to move this whole thing up right below just so it's a bit closer to our call to action. We can definitely do that. Or you also can drag this up as well. So again, the editor is super easy to navigate. So before we publish the actual page, again, we want to make sure all of our text is good to go, and editing the text over here is super simple and super easy to navigate. You can change the font size. You can just type directly on here whatever it is that you want to change, and then you can add the text alignment. We can shift everything over here. You can select the font weight if we wanted it thin or you wanted it normal, whatever it may be, and you can select the colors as well as the typography. So everything's over here in this navigation, as well as any animations you want to add. So you can make it go up or in. You can do anything that you feel like fits your brand and will keep leads interested. Before we are good to go, we want to make sure that it looks good on mobile, because these days so many people actually use their phone to look at websites. So you want to make sure it's mobile optimized too, and edit whatever it is that we need to. And just so you know, if you want to add any specific elements or add any sections, you can do that here. If you want to add a full width, you just drag it over. Then we'll want to add a row within there, and then we can add that element and change this to whatever it is that you need that's going to capture the attention. So step number 3 is to set up your lead capture and automation. And a landing page isn't just about design. It needs to collect the leads and automatically follow up with them. So if you're using a form to capture leads, make sure it's connected to the GoHighLevel CRM. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go back, make sure you save your changes. So now that we've got the first step done, what you want to do now is next you can see is the appointment section. So this is what they would come to after they've clicked that button. So this will be a form. And then after that is the thank you page. So the thank you page will just be once they have clicked and filled out their information. So in order to have the actual form completed, we will create the form right here, and you can just add form. We'll just start from scratch. So from here, you can just collect their first name, last name, and phone number, and then you can add any other types of elements in here. You also can edit the, privacy policy, terms of service, and everything like that. Then we can go ahead and save this, and definitely make sure you name it whatever you would like, and then we'll go back. Now we've got the business masterclass funnel. Now we're going to want to make sure our form is linked. So we'll go ahead and click edit, and this is where we'll want to have a button on here. So we'll go ahead and click element, and we'll click button. We'll just drag this one, and then here we'll want to website URL, and then you can select if you want it in a new tab or not, and then we'll just click save. And so now you have a way to collect their email addresses. Then they'll be taken to the thank you page and finish the automation. If you want to add more steps, all you do is click add new step, and then you can go ahead and decide where you want them to go. Okay, so that wraps up the tutorial on how to create a funnel and GoHighLevel. Now I just want to show you the different plans and pricing options. Again, if you want an extended 30-day free trial, make sure you use our link in the description below, because even here it says start 14 and we can give you a 30-day. So with this plan, we've got the starter plan, which is $97 a month. You get all the tools you need, nurture and close leads into customers, full online booking, pipelines, social calendar, website builder, and more, and as many contacts and users as you need, as well as some basic API access. Next is the unlimited plan, which is $297 a month. You get everything in starter, plus the basic API access that you can integrate with anything, unlimited sub accounts, and branded desktop app. And then lastly is the SaaS Pro, which is $497 a month. And this is everything you need to start generating reoccurring SaaS revenue. So this is everything in unlimited, but you also get SaaS mode, auto sub account creation, as well as rebilling enabled with the ability to set your own markup, as well as rebilling available on Conversation AI and full API access. If you want to save 20%, you also can go ahead and select an annual plan. But again, make sure you use our link and get that 30-day free trial so you can try it out before you get signed up. So overall, GoHighLevel is a great option if you want a landing page builder that integrates with your CRM and marketing automation. If you need just a simple landing page with advanced features, platforms like Wix or Lead Pages might be a better fit. But if you want full control over your leads and sales processes, GoHighLevel is one of the best choices out there. That wraps up this step-by-step guide. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.